The best Asus ROG Ally Docks of 2024. The Asus ROG Ally certainly gives value Steam Deck a run for its money, but much like the latter, sometimes you want to play on the big screen. Not only does the Asus ROG Ally have its own official docking station, but many of the best Steam Deck docks work just as well with Asus handheld, making it really easy to extend its functionality. Let's start by talking about the elephant in the room. The Ugreen Steam Deck dock has a Steam Deck dock in its name. While the device is as being a Steam Deck dock, it also works with the Asus ROG Ally. In fact, you can even use it for your iPad or most other device with a USB-C output. Not only can you set the Ugreen Steam Deck dock to connect your Asus ROG Ally to your TV, but it also has a Ethernet port, letting you download games quicker or even giving you the upper hand in competitive games with a lower ping. The USB 3 and USB-C port can be used to add to your Asus ROG Ally, including a keyboard and a mouse or even a portable hard drive. Playing your Asus ROG Ally on your TV might be awesome, but simply connecting the ROG Ally to your TV may not be enough, especially if you want to add like a keyboard, mouse, and handset. The iValor docking station offer an affordable solution for playing your favorite game on your TV in stunning 4K. It also includes three USB port and a USB-C port for fast charging your device. The only downside to the iValor docking station is the lack of an Ethernet port, which can help elevate lag while gaming and also speed up download time with the physical connection. But the Asus ROG Ally comes with Wi-Fi 6E support, so if you have a Wi-Fi 6E router, you should still get impressive speeds even without other connectivity. If you want to invest in an official charger and docks, the Asus ROG 65-watt charger dock is the best choice. However, it does not offer as many features as third-party option and cloud end up costing you a little more. This 65-watt charger dock support and includes a USB Type A and USB Type C port. Supporting the Asus ROG 65-watt charger dock lets you enjoy your game on the big screen. You can also charge your two devices at once up to 60 watt using the USB-C port and 5 watt using the USB A port. The Election Steam Deck dock is perfect for those who need a little extra cooling for their ROG Ally. With the two built-in fan, it will help keep the handheld cool and maintain better performance. With an output, the Election Steam Deck dock can output 4K video add with ISA. It also includes two USB